Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at home with the presence of your loving God. Today we are going to learn social studies. In social studies, last week we learned one new lesson, no? Yes. Now we are going to recall that part and then we pass on to the remaining part of the lesson. What's the lesson number? Lesson number 6. What's the name of the lesson? Yes, by looking at the picture, you can guess. Very good. Caring and sharing. Mummy is taking care, and here he is sharing his chocolate with his friend. Caring and sharing we learned. In this lesson, we learn about one girl, no? Yes, very good. What's the name of the girl? Zoya. Very good. This is Zoya. This is Zoya. Zoya lives with her parents. With whom she lives? With her parents. Zoya's parents and her sister Maya. And this is Maya. Zoya's sister. This is Maya. What's Zoya's sister name? Maya. With whom she lives? She lives with her parents. And they are a happy family. They are a happy family. They are so happy, no? Yes. And then they love one another. They love one another. They share the work at home. What are the work is there at home? They share the work and do. Look at here. What mummy is doing? She is cooking. This is the work at home, no? Yes, she is cooking. And what daddy is doing? He is ironing the clothes. And what she is doing, Maya is doing? Maya, who is Maya? This is Maya. And what Zoya is doing? Zoya is arranging the plates neatly. Very good. What Maya is doing? She is wiping the plates. She is arranging and she is wiping the plates. Mummy is cooking and daddy is ironing the clothes. They share the work. Whatever the work is at home, they share the work and do. And who are they? Maya and Zoya's parents. Very good. Parents. We are Arun and Zeba. Who is Arun? This is Arun and she is Zeba. Okay. Z-E-B-A, Zeba, A-R-U-N, Arun. Arun and Zeba. What's the name of Zoya and Maya's parents? Yes, very good. Arun and Zeba. Arun and Zeba. And look at here. Zoya's parents care for their children. Your mommy, daddy take care of you, no? Yes, just like that, Zoya and Maya's parents, they also take care of their children. And they work hard to give Zoya and Maya all they need. What do you need? Your mommy, daddy buy it for you, no? Yes, just like that, Zoya and Maya's parents also buy the things what they need. They help the children with their studies. Not only buying things for them, they also help their children in their studies. And look at here. Now we are going to learn the next one. They play with Zoya and Maya. What they are doing? They are playing. And who is he? Zoya and Maya? Father. What's his name? Arun. Very good. What's their mummy name? Zeba. Very good. And who is she? Yes, Zoya. And who is she? Maya. They all sit together in family and they play game. What game is this? Carom board. Very good. Very good. They all sit together and play caroms. How many of them play caroms, children? 4. Very good. Here also they 4 sit together and play carom. They play with Zoya and Maya. Not only help them in studies. They also spend time with them. Both of them sit together and play with their children. They look after their children when they fall sick. If you are not feeling well, what your mommy daddy do? If you are having fever, yes, they take care of you, no? Yes, just like that, their children, Zoya and Maya, if they didn't feel well, they take care of them well, okay? And then Zoya and Maya also love their parents. They both love their parents. You also love your parents, no? Yes, I also love my parents. Zoya and Maya help their parents to keep the house clean. What they do for them? They help them to keep the house clean. We have to keep our surrounding clean, no? Yes. For that, what we have to do? We have to help our parents to keep the house clean. What we have to do? We have to keep the things in the proper place, and we can help them to dust the things. Many work we can help with our parents, no? Yes. What are the work you can help with your parents? You can do the work. Okay, children? Yes. Zoya and Maya's parents, what's their name? Arun and Zeba. Very good. What is Zoya's sister name? Maya. Very good. Now you understand the lesson clearly, no? What they do at home? They share the work at home and they love one another and they live a happy life. Very good. They help their children in their studies and then they look after the children when they are not feeling well. And then Zoya and Maya also help their parents and they help their parents to keep the house clean. Both of them love their parents. Zoya and Maya, both of them love their parents. I hope you also love your parents, no? Yes, you also love your parents. Now you understand the lesson clearly, no, children? Yes. Now we are going to do the book exercise. Read and answer. Part A, circle the correct answers. Number 1, we must share, S-H-A-R-E, share, or N-E-V-E-R, never, S-H-A-R-E, share. Never share the work at home. We must share or never share the work at home. What we have to do? We have to share and do the work. Then only we can finish up the work quickly, no? Yes, we must share, S-H-A-R-E, share. We must share the work at home. And look at the next one. Number 2, our parents or friends. P-A-R-E-N-T-S, parents. F-R-I-E-N-D-S, friends. Our parents or friends look after us at home. Who looked after us? Look at here. Here Zoya is not feeling well. Who looked after Zoya? Yes, her father look after. And then who take care of us when we are not feeling well? Our parents only. Very good. P-A-R-E-N-T-S, parents. And look at the third one. We must help our parents to keep the house D-I-R-T-Y, dirty, or C-L-E-A-N, clean. What we have to do? We have to help our parents to keep our house or to become a dirty house. What we have to do? Yes, to keep the house clean. We should keep our surrounding clean, no? Yes, C-L-E-A-N, clean. Now you understand this, children? Shall we do the next one? Part B, who does the following? Tick the correct boxes. You can tick more than one box. Now look at here. M-U-M-M-Y, mummy. P-A-P-A, papa. G-R-A-N-D-M-A, grandma. G-R-A-N-D-M-P-A, grandpa. Y-O-U, you. This is you. Okay, mummy, papa, grandma, grandpa, and you. Now, waters the plants. Who waters the plants in your home? You have plants at home, no? Who waters the plant? Mummy, daddy, grandma, grandpa, or you? Who water the plants? Yes, grandma, otherwise sometimes grandpa also. Okay, so we have to give a tick in both. And then, and you can also do no means you can give a tick in you also. And look at this next one. Lays the dining table. Who lays the dining table? Dining cloth, everything, plates, everything. Who arrange it neatly in your home? Yes, very good. Mummy do that and grandma also do that. Yes, you can give that tick for them. Otherwise your papa also do means you can give a tick in papa, and grandpa also you can give a tick. And look at the next one. Cooks. Who cooks in your home? Your mummy or your papa or your grandma, otherwise grandpa, or you? Who cooks food? Mummy. Okay. Sometimes grandma also cooks food, no? Yes. You cook food? No. Okay. And then look at the next one. Plays with you. Who plays with you? Plays with you. Who plays with you? Mummy, grandpa, grandma, otherwise you. Mummy also play with you. Yes. Papa also, grandma also, grandpa also play with you. Okay. If you water the plants, if you do this, if you water the plants means you can give a tick in that. If you help your mummy in cooking also, you can give a tick in this. And if you lace the dining table neatly means you can also give a tick in that. Okay children, what are the things you can do? You can give a tick in that box. Now you understand this? Now look at the next one. Think and answer. Think and answer. Part D. Think and answer. Zoya keeps her school bag in her room. What she is doing? Zoya is doing? She keeps her school bag in her room after she, yes, come back from school. She takes out her lunch box. What she is doing? She takes out her lunch box, empty lunch box, and keeps it in the kitchen sink. Sink means what children? Yes, where you can clean the vessels. And she takes out the lunch box and she keeps it in the kitchen sink. She also gives a dirty uniform to be washed. Where she kept that? Yes. And she remove her dress uniform and she keep it in the laundry bag. Okay. And then does Zoya help her parents? Is it a help for her parents? Yes. Yes. Very good. It's a help for their parents. She keep everything in the proper place. No. Yes. She keep the lunch box, empty lunch box in the kitchen sink, and then she remove the dirty clothes and she put it in the laundry bag. Everything she did it properly and she helped the parents. Just like that, you should do like this. Where you have to keep the lunch bag, there you have to keep your mummy gave one place for you, no, to keep the school bag and to keep the lunch bag. Yes, everything you should keep it in the proper place. That's also a very big help for your parents. Okay children, now Zoya is a good girl only, no? Yes, you are also good children. Now shall we do the next one? Now values, part F, value. Draw a happy, H-A-P-P-Y, happy, or unhappy, U-N-H-A-P-P-Y, unhappy. Now we are going to draw the happy and unhappy face. Number 1, I do not help grandma find his pen. Grandpa is, I do not. If your grandpa missed the pen and he can't find the pen, what you have to do? You have to help him, no? Yes, you have to help him. Yes. If you didn't help him, how your grandpa feels? He feels sad, unhappy. So here they draw the unhappy face. And then look at the next one. I help mummy to fold the clothes. Mummy, yes, your mummy fold the washed clothes. At that time you go and help your mummy to fold the clothes. How your mummy feel? Yes, she feel happy. So draw a happy face. Okay. And look at the third one. I help my sister put on my socks. My sister is. What you have to do, your sister need your help and she want to put the socks. If you help your sister at that time, how she feels? She feels happy. So what you have to do? You have to draw a happy face. And look at the next one. I did not keep my shoes in place. Papa S. How your papa feels? You put the shoes here and there. You didn't keep it in the proper place. How your daddy feels? Does he feel happy? No, he feel unhappy. So draw an unhappy face, papa. Okay? Unhappy. Yes. Now you understand it, ma? Yes, it's an easy one, no? From this, what do you understand, children? We should, yes, very good. We should share the work at home and we should take care and we should love our parents. We should help them at home. Now we understand it clearly. Caring and sharing. How your mommy daddy take care of you and how you have to share with them the work. Now we are, and then homework. Today homework, what you have to do? You have to read and complete lesson 6, caring and sharing, page number 37 to 40 in your social studies book. Okay, and then you all understand the lesson clearly. We will meet in the next session. Thank you, children.